14-year daughter, and lately I was not able to communicate with her. And every time I used to tell her everything, I mean anything, she was not listening to me, and it made me upset. Every time I tried to tell her to switch off the TV or to go to sleep or to study, she was not listening to me, or she was doing the stuff as per her wish.
They say that babies don't come with a handbook. And so, as parents, we just keep bettering ourselves every day, every moment.
I wanted to better myself as an individual, as a parent. And in one of these moments, I found my friend suggest a session with Kavita ji. I enrolled myself in the session, introductory session. Very interesting. It gave me a lot of insights into, posed a lot of questions in terms of the problem solving attitude, how I could raise it with my children, how to communicate better, the power of strokes, how to raise a confident child, and whole lot of inputs nudging me to be a better parent.
I got to know about one parenting classes, and I immediately enrolled into the classes. And after the classes, I am finding myself as a new person. I mean, my mindset has been totally changed. I got to know so many new things, how to communicate with children, what are the important things, what should be our mindset.
In one of these sessions, I found a lot of insights in terms of the shortcomings that we have as a mother, as a parent, and she also, and the surprising thing with Kavita ji was she didn't just leave us at the completion of the course. She also took us way ahead with carrying WhatsApp groups where she continues to guide us on a lot of issues on day-to-day matters, and we kind of interact with other like-minded parents, learn on a day-to-day basis. I'm very happy with the outcome that has pushed me to outperform, to do better, and to correct myself as an individual and definitely as a parent.
If you're really keen on improving as a parent, which I definitely was, I would highly recommend Kavita ma'am's parenting seminar, which I have done recently during lockdown. And believe me, it was the best thing to have happened to me, because I can better understand why my child behaves the way she does. And also basically it was a lot about myself also, why I react in the way I do and what impact can it have on her psyche. So I have really benefited, guys, and I recommend her to the T. Highly recommend it. Thank you so much. Do give it a shot. Thanks.